Remember, at least something on that. That'll be the priority.
Our journey begins as dramatic and sudden changes are sweeping over the land. The approaching storm may seem violent and destructive to us, but to nature, it's a new beginning of the cycle. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and other elements essential to our lives.
Too late.
The hard surface of this land, even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm.
It was funny. I had a good joke.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S.
For your safety, please stay fully seated at all times. Once again, please stay fully seated at all times. Thank you.
into the future.
Peanut butter tree. It's where peanut butter comes from.
The tropics are home to the greatest reservoir of fish. When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the salmon consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce powerful harvests and still protect natural resources.
Oh, wow.
With aquaculture, the fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, EPCOT scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce higher yielding and better quality plants. And scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of the foods that we all rely upon. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase our production and protect our precious natural environment. Stop. Only then will we truly be living with the land. On behalf of Walt Disney World, we hope you've enjoyed this unique journey through our living laboratories. If you'd like a closer look, then check out the behind the scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal with the plants and growing techniques in our laboratories. Please keep your hands and feet inside the boat and remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop.